Hi everyone. Welcome to Slow English Studio.
Hi everyone, I'm Lena. Welcome back to our English lesson. Today, we'll talk about how to describe your morning in English. What do you do first? What do you eat for breakfast? How is the weather? And how do you feel in the morning? At the end of this video, you'll be able to describe your own morning naturally and confidently. And now I'll tell you what my morning looks like, step by step. All right, let's begin. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. Sometimes I feel great and ready to start the day. But sometimes I just want to sleep a little more. When I wake up, I stretch my arms and take a deep breath. Then I open the window to get some fresh air. If it's sunny, I feel happy. If it's rainy, I move a bit slower. Now, let's learn a new and useful English expression. I'm feeling a bit under the weather. Have you heard this before? It doesn't mean the weather is bad. It's actually an idiom we use when we don't feel very well. For example, I didn't sleep well last night. I'm feeling a bit under the weather today. It's a soft and polite way to say you're a little sick or tired, not terrible, just not your best. Let's look at one more example to help you remember this useful expression. Yesterday, I went out without a jacket, and it was really cold. Now I have a sore throat and a little cough. I'm feeling a bit under the weather today, so I'll stay home and rest. Tip to remember: think of under the weather like there are clouds over you. You don't feel great, you're a bit low in energy. So next time you feel tired or sick, you can say, I'm feeling a bit under the weather. Shadowing practice. Now, repeat after me. Let's practice together. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Repeat.
I open the window and take a deep breath. If it's sunny, I feel happy. Sometimes I feel a bit under the weather. Nice work. You're doing really well. Now, let's move on to the next part of our morning routine. After that, I go to the bathroom. I wash my face and brush my teeth. Then I make my bed. It helps me feel organized. I put on some comfortable clothes. If I have work, I choose something more formal. If I stay home, I wear my favorite hoodie. Shadowing practice. Let's shadow these sentences together. Ready? I brush my teeth.
Repeat.
And wash my face. I make my bed every morning. I put on my favorite hoodie. I get ready for the day. Excellent job! You did amazing! Let's keep this great energy and continue with our morning. Breakfast time. Next, it's time for breakfast. My favorite part of the morning. I usually have coffee and toast with butter or jam. Sometimes I eat scrambled eggs or cereal. When I have more time, I make pancakes. I eat breakfast while I watch the news or listen to a podcast. It helps me learn something new every morning. Shadowing practice. Let's repeat. I have breakfast at 8 o'clock. I drink a cup of coffee. I eat toast with butter and jam. I listen to music while I eat. Breakfast gives me energy for the day. Well done! That was great practice. Let's see what happens next in our morning story. After breakfast, I check my phone or read my messages. Then, I feed my pet fish. I have 3 small fish in a bowl. They always make me smile. After that, I prepare for work. I check my to-do list and think about what I want to achieve today. I plan my day before work. Shadowing practice. Now, let's shadow again. Repeat after me. I feed my fish every morning. I check my phone for messages. I check my to-do list. Excellent job! Every time you repeat, your English gets better. Let's keep going. Let's talk about weather and feelings. The weather can really change how we feel, right? When it's sunny, I feel motivated. When it's cloudy, I like to stay cozy and drink something warm. Here are some ways to talk about the weather and feelings. Shadowing practice. Repeat after me. It's a beautiful day today. The weather is nice and warm. I feel lazy when it's rainy. I feel a bit tired today. I like to drink hot coffee when it's cold outside. Grammar and vocabulary review. As you noticed in today's story, we used a lot of sentences in the present simple tense. That's because the present simple is perfect for talking about daily routines, habits, and general facts. Let's talk about routines and habits. We use the present simple to talk about things we do regularly, things that are part of our everyday life. Examples: I wake up at 7 o'clock. She listens to music every morning. They go for a walk after dinner. Let's talk about facts or general truths. We also use the present simple when we describe something that is always true or a fact. For example, the sun rises in the east. This is a fact. It's always true. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. A scientific truth. No change, no time limit. Cats like sleeping during the day. A general truth about cats, so we use the present simple. Let's talk about permanent situations. Sometimes we use the present simple to talk about situations that don't change for a long time. For example, I live in New York. That's where I live permanently. She works at a hospital. That's her regular job. Well done! You just practiced how to talk about your morning in English. Now it's your turn. Write your morning routine in the comments below. I'd love to read it. Remember, progress comes from small steps. This is it for today's lesson. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.